Renovation and Feng Shui. Hello everyone, welcome back to Good Feng Shui, Good Life. Vimin here. Now I get this question a lot from my clients. Many of them often ask me, Vimin, when is the best time to do a Feng Shui consultation? Should I do it right when I get the keys, or should I call you after I do my renovation? Let me share 3 tips about Feng Shui and renovation. Number 1, do your consultation before starting renovation. This tip should sound pretty logical, right? It is usually a good idea to schedule a Feng Shui consultation before starting any renovation works to a place. What if an owner arranges a Feng Shui consultation after spending a lot on renovation and the Feng Shui consultant recommends something drastic? Better to seek for advice before doing anything major. Number 2, better move out of the house during renovation. If you're planning to revamp your kitchen or finally install the swimming pool of your dreams in your front yard, it is generally a good idea to temporarily move out of your house while construction work is being done, especially when it involves any hacking and digging into the ground. Hacking and digging is one of the most harmful sha qis in Feng Shui, earth moving sha, 动土 sha, and it has negative effects to each and every inhabitant of the household, including pets. Number 3, avoid doing renovation if there's a pregnant lady in the house. If you're planning to renovate your house but so happen that a family member gets pregnant, it is a good idea to postpone the renovation plans until the pregnancy is over. Earth moving sha, 动土 sha, is especially bad for pregnant ladies. This sha qi have negative effects to both mother and the child. On the same note, pregnant ladies should avoid visiting construction sites or any properties under renovation. Hope this video can shed some light on the topic of renovation and Feng Shui. Like, share, and subscribe.